Hi, I am Prithviranjan Basu Malik, 3D Production Mentor. In that video, we are going to learn constant menu like point constant, M constant, orient, scale, parent, geometry, normal constant. And also, we are learn the parenting, how to parent and unparent the object. These things are based for rigging. Okay. So first of all, I open my a basic setup. Okay, there is a some box. Okay, I as a user, when I am going to give some connection, there is a parent child link relationship when I go to build it. So what happened? User defined what is the parent and what is the child. In that case, I decided that is my this red box are my parent and the blue box are my child. First we will see how to create the P link, that means parenting. Okay. Before that, I am create a new cell for my rigging purpose. For create a new cell, you just hit here and click the new cell option and give a cell name. I just give cell name is rigging and hit the OK. You see there is a new cell, empty cell are created. Now I am able to put my any tools, any option in that cell. It's possible like that way. I am want to center pivot option, so I hit the control and shift and click RMB click. RMB means left mouse button in center pivot. So the center pivot come in here as a short key. I want freeze transformation, I do same thing. I want delete history option, so go to delete type and select the history and hold the shift control and then hit the LMB. So there is my shift means center pivot, fit means FT means freeze transformation and his means delete history. Now at first we are see how we are link the normal P link for a object. Before P link, we are select my all geometry and go the shift, fish and his. It's very important in the rigging department. Okay. Now one more thing are important in rigging department, that is the pivot point. Actually every object in 3D or real world as a center point actually have a center point. See, I give a little bit demonstration for that. I create a box and I just copy it 4 times. I select that and that box center pivot point in here. I select that and I want to move that pivot point, so I hit the D. When I hold the D, the tools move tool are going to editable mode and I able to shift it. Next I select that, hit the D and I able to shift it, and next I select that and hit the D and I able to shift it. Actually when we are going to any transform like scale and rotation, the scale and rotation done based on my pivot point. When I just scale it, there pivot point in here, so that object scale like that. When I select that, that object scale like that, and when I select that, that object scale like that. Okay. When I rotate it, that object rotate from the middle, that object rotate from the top because its pivot point in the top side, that object rotate from my down side, and that object rotate from his pivot, which pivot we have to set the outside of the object. Okay. So it's a very important thing, pivot point. So how we have set the pivot point? I just select the object, press the D and hold it and shift it. Either you go to insert, press the insert, it permanently convert to editable mode and you able to shift it, and when you are finished your job, hit the again insert and is active as a tools. Okay. Now we are going to either we are want to keep the center pivot again. So already we have created a rigging tab and there is a center pivot option, and actual option is here, center pivot, under the modify menu. I hit that and my pivot point come in center. Okay, I just teach you this thing because it's very important each and every time for the rigging. Okay, so I just delete this 4 box. Now we are coming for my child parent link relationship. Okay, first kind of relationship when you work in Maya, this is the P link, actually that's called parenting. So how we are going to parenting? At first select child. In as a user, I have defined that is my child and that's my parent. Red box my parent and blue box are my child. So when you do the parenting, so first select my child and after that select parent, because how to computer understand, how to Maya understand what is my wish, what is the child and what is parent. So is defined by selection. When you going to parent link, actually P link, so at first selection child and then select shift, press the shift and then select parent and go to edit menu and hit the parent, either parent shortcut is P. So we are normally use this term as a P link because we are not going to most probably in menu go open the edit menu and hit the parenting. We are just hit the child parent in the keyboard. I hit the P. Okay, so see, now that is my parent. So parent, when I move, my child also move. Okay, according my parent behavior, according my parent transformation. Okay, now my when I rotate my parent, my child also rotate. When I scale my parent, my child also scale. But see one thing, remember one thing, when you do the peeling, the something happened like that. I just go to window and open my outliner. See, when we are doing in the peeling in the Maya, so what happened, the child object directly actually physically go under the parent object. Okay, and therefore what happened, the pivot point, child pivot point work as my parent position. See, when I rotate it, I think you understood, the child object rotate from that particular pivot point. Okay, when because child, when I rotate the child, actually this is the child pivot point, and when I rotate from parent to, so what happened, the child rotate according the parent. When I scale, child scale according the parent pivot point, because the geometry directly, child geometry directly go in under the parent. Okay, that is called peeling, that is called peeling. And in the peeling you see the child attribute also free, not freeze or not locked. So when I move my child and just select the parent and move it, so it's possible to move, it's possible to move, and it's always in the peeling child attribute are free. I think I am able to teach you in the how to make the pre-link relation and what is the facility and what is the advantage and disadvantage. It is not disadvantage, actually it's depend on situation, it's depend on feature connection. Now we are going to next option to give the parent and child relationship, build the parent child relationship. That section called the constant. Under the animation menu set, you find the constant menu. When you open the constant menu, okay, you see there is a point constant, aim constant, orient constant, scale constant and parent constant. Oppositely, when you go to constant relationship, so at first select the parent, then select the child. Okay, and then we are going to do the point constant. Before that, I hit the point constant, I open my point constant window and try to understand what is the setting. There is a, when you go to edit menu and reset it, always reset all tab when you go to rigging. There is a maintain offset. Maintain offset on means in the between child and parent, that offset, actually that distance are maintained or not. Maya asks to he asks. Okay, so when I check on, that means the child object stay in own position and just give a link, okay, give a connection. Either you check off, that's mean maintain offset are not maintained, so therefore the child object directly go to SAP in my parent. Okay, we are do two things. So at first I select my parent because we are doing the constant, okay. So at first I select my parent and then select my child and hit the apply. There is two button, add or apply. Add means the option are effect and then window are closed, but apply means option are effect but window are not closed, is open for the next for future time, okay. So now I hit the apply. So what happened, the child object SAP in parent position because we are not on the maintain offset. Second option is, so when the maintain offset and hit the apply, so what happened, the connection are built, okay, you see in the channel box connection are built but child stay in his own position. So I think it's easy for understand. And the next option is animation layer, forget it, is not necessary for now. The next option is important, is the constant axis, because we are able to define, told Maya how many axes we are used to constant, like when I just put the x, so x axis only constant. When I check on y, so x and y axis give me the relationship with parent and child, and when you on the z, so 3 axis also build a relationship. But generally we are use the all, okay. So just go the edit, reset setting, on according your connection you able to on off maintain offset, okay, and then you give the connection. So how I give the use the constant, first select parent and then select child, and point constant just build relationship with translate, with 3 translate, translate x, translate y and translate z, is not build any connection with rotation, scale or visibility, okay. So see, first select parent then select child and hit the apply. So what happened, already we are created a constant, okay, relationship. That means when I select my parent and move it, so my child object also move it, but when I rotate it, my child object are not rotate, because we are use the point constant. Point constant mean only will build relationship in translate, okay. Now when I scale it, it's not affected, okay. What is the difference between point constant and PD? The difference is, at first we open the outliner, okay, and you see when we do the P link, so what happened, the child object directly go under my parent object, but in the constant the child object not go under the parent object, because P5 is my parent, PQ5 and PQ13 is my child. But what happened, how to relationship build, under the child one constant node are created, always create a constant node, that is my constant node. That's which constant, that is my point constant. And when you select the point constant under the child node, the point constant node tell you who is father particular in relationship in that child. So that is the PQ5 give weight 100%, I mean 1 for the controlling. So when I move it, it move it. When I just select the child and go the point constant and hit the 0, so what happened, my weight are 0, that's mean point constant link also now present, but that is not affected in child, parent are not affect child, because we are give the weight to 0. Now I select my child and again go to point constant and just hit the 1 for the create again relationship, okay. I think it's clear. So point constant only build the relationship between child and parent in translate mode. The next option is orient constant. Next option is orient constant. So when we are go to orient constant, already I say you the constant always first select parent and then select child, and go to orient constant and just open the orient constant window. See, this is the same setup, same as point constant, but is create relationship, child parent relationship into only for the rotation, okay. So I hit the apply. So what happened, rotation are created, okay. So now we see when I rotate, when I move my geometry that is not moved, because we are give the orient constant link, we are not create the point constant. And when I rotate it, my geometry, child geometry also rotate, but some different rotation between the orient constant and p-link, because when you select the p-link object parent and rotate it, the rotation done by parent pivot point. Okay, and when I give the orient constant link, so what happen, the child object rotate according his own pivot point. It is a very useful difference between p-link and orient constant. Okay, now one more thing is very important, that in the p-link you see my child object transfer node are free. Okay, so when I just move it, so what happened, my child also free for his transform side. So now when I just hit the undo sometime, and now when I select that child, see there is a some color changes, there is a like a lock type of visible. Okay, so now I just move my child and just little bit move my parent. So what happened, the child directly shaped according the parent position. Okay, so in the p-link or orient constant or Quails constant or parent constant, any constant is any constant, when we do the relation according the constant, so what happened, the attribute child attribute are locked and he influence according the parent. Okay, clear it. So we are presently now clear the point constant, orient constant and p-link. Actually p-link means parenting. Okay, now we are going to next option for the scale constant. For the scale, in the scale constant, same thing is constant under the constant menu. So at first select parent, okay, and then select the child and hit the scale. So what happens, only scale are linked. Okay, relation, build a relation. So when I scale it, child also scale, but child scale according his pivot point, not parent pivot point. Okay, it's a very big difference, a very important difference between the parent constant and any constant and my p-link. Now last one is parent constant. So what happened with parent constant, just I select my child parent and then select my child. Okay, and go to parent constant, same setup, I hit see there is a constant axis, translate and rotate. Okay, that's mean parent constant give relationship in translate and rotation. Okay, all dash 2 section parent constant build the relation. Okay, so I hit the apply. So what that thing, the translate and rotation are linked. Okay, so now when I move my object, parent object, so child object are moved. When I just select scale, is not scale. Okay, it's just move according my child object, it's not scale, it's not a scale. Okay, see when I increase that is not increase, is a normal basic shape, because scale are not linked. Okay, so now when I rotate it, my child object also rotate, but in the orient constant and parent constant have a difference. Actually, what is the difference, when I select my object and orient constant of parent object and rotate it, my child object rotate but his own pivot point, according his own pivot point. But when I give a relation, build a relationship through the parent constant, so what happened, so I select that and when rotate, the child object behave rotate according my parent, according my parent pivot point, center point. Okay, in the same thing happen with my child p-link, same thing happen with my p-link also, but there is some difference with p-link. What is the difference, the difference in we are going to constant. So what happened, the child attribute are locked, child attribute are locked. Okay, so it's a very important some differentiate between the p-link and constant. Okay, so that is point constant. When you use the point constant, so what happened, the only link translate. When you give the orient constant, that means only link with rotation. When you use the scale constant, that is mean when you use the scale constant, that is mean only scale are affected in the child, influence the child. And when you go the parent constant, that means point and translate and rotate also affected, also influenced, but pivot point are shifted in parent position. Okay, child pivot point work as a parent position. I think it's clear. Point, orient, scale and parent constant. Thank you for the watching this video. And last one thing, when you open the outliner is all when you start the rigging, basic rigging, so you always open in your side in outliner. So see, in the child object, all the child object, when I open it, the one when I give the constant relation, so what happened, one individual constant node are created, like there's a point constant node, there's a orient constant node, scale constant node and parent constant node. So how we identified the what is the parent object. So that I just select it, go to outliner and see, okay, there is the orient constant and pq4 is the parent of that object. Okay, it's clear. Okay, now just one little thing is pending. We are trying to some experiment. Actually experiment means I just create a ball, okay, the sphere actually, and I just copy many 1 2, okay, just 3, okay, just 4 and just one last one 5. So we are experiment the in the peeling, and what is the difference between major define, one more major define between peeling and constant. When we are one child, okay, one father, and that is my all ball are child. So at first select child, then hit the parent and hit the p. Okay, before that I just copy for the constant. So at first select the child, this is my child, that is my parent, hit the peeling. So that is my child. Okay, that's my child, that's my parent, hit the peeling. That's my child, that's my parent, hit the p in keyboard. So what happened in the peeling, you see one parent is possible to create many child, it's possible to create many child. But when we are try to create one child multiple parents, so what happened, we will see that. So I just select is my child, is my child. So first of all I select the child. Now this situation is my child, I consider as a child, so select first, okay, and then select my parent, hit the p. So now it's parent, okay, it's not a issue. But now I just select that child as a child and that as a parent, so hit the p. So what happened, that previous connection are gone, present last connection are update as a parent child link. So that means in the peeling we are able to create multiple child in a one parent, but we are not able to create multiple parent for a one child. Okay, it's clear. And in the constant, so what happened, constant, when you go to constant connection, so you are we are already know that at first select parent, then select child. So that's my parent, that's my child, hit the point, I just go the point, parent child, hit the point. Okay, it's possible one parent many child. Okay, but when we are try to create one child many parent, it's possible. So I take that as a child, and that is my parent in this section, and that is my also parent. So what happened, that's my child. Okay, so first select the parent, then select the child, hit the point constant. First select the parent, then select the child, hit the point constant. So what happened, okay, it's possible, it is possible, it's also a parent for in that sphere, and it is also parent in that sphere. So which are not happen in peeling, we are able to do with my constant. Okay, any constant node. Now see what happened when I just select my child and go to my point constant node. See, there is a two father, p sphere 13 and p sphere 14, p sphere 14 and p sphere 13 is two father, and two father give the 1 influence. So that's mean the child are confused, he take influence 50-50%. Okay, so when I p sphere 13 I give the 0, so that's mean that is the 100% influence. Okay, that sphere are sphere 14, that is the sphere 14 are give the 100% influence for the child. Okay, so in future we are see we are learn is very useful that option. Okay, but I just finish in that video in that position. Okay, so I think you are understood what is the how to we make the peeling and how to we go the create the constant link, okay, for the only point, orient, scale and parent. After that we will see the m constant in the next video and geometry and normal constant. Okay, thank you for watching that video. Thank you very much. Hi, I am Pritiranjan Basamallik, your 3D mentor. Now I give some demonstration for the m constant, geometry and normal constant. For the m constant, I make a little bit busy character, it's funny character, that is my character. Okay, I just create some sphere and arrange it and combine it from my polygon, combine them. Okay, now there's my pivot point. Okay, so I go to region tab and I set my pivot point according this character particular neck. So that's character neck is here. So when I rotate it, the character are rotate from here. Okay, it's clear. I just arrange it perfectly middle and hit the shift. Okay, hit the center point, select that and hit the center point and hit the D and shift here and then put here, because when it's rotate it's like neck. Okay, now we will create a controller. For create a controller, I just use a curves presently. Okay, I just go the front side and create a curves. Set, that is my, suppose my controller, so I just give the his face shape. Okay, and change the name as a in control. Then okay, now there's my child, there's my parent. What we are going to do? M constant. Under the constant menu, at first select the parent and then select always the child and hit the, just hit the apply. Sorry, very sorry, because I am not on the maintain offset on it and apply. So close it. So what happened? When my parent are moved, my child follow my parent m as a m. Okay, that is the basic thing for the m constant. That constant basically we are used to in character human rig or photofabric for the eyes. Okay, so it's clear. That is my m constant. Okay, I give a little bit basic demonstration from the m constant. The I just off my all m constant accessories and then I on the demonstration BG for geometry and normal constant of the grid. See, there is a one geometry. I just create a plane in case it is divisions and give the sculpting, use the sculpting geometry tool. I just sculpt it. Okay, and there is a basic box. So now I select both and go to his face shape. Now what happened? We have to do the geometry. What is the geometry concept? How to work? At first select the parent. So that is my parent. Okay, and that is my child, and hit the geometry constant. So that means that child object sap according my geometry, and when you translate, see the child object going according my geometry, according my geometry surface. Okay, that is very useful. Okay, many times. So that's called geometry constant. What happened? Just select the parent and then select child and hit the geometry constant. So that's mean when I select, my object are moved according my geometry surface. Okay, so it's geometry constant. So I just delete geometry constant because I go to demonstrate the normal constant. So I select my geometry constant node and hit the delete. Okay, it's how to delete you a constant node. Okay, so now it's not a geometry constant, but we select both and we go the history sheet. Now I see the normal constant. Actually normal constant work according to the normal, according to the normal. What is the normal? I just see you later. So at first parent, then child, hit the normal constant. What happened? The box are rotated, and actually rotation are linked with my parent. So that's mean when I move my box are rotated according my geometry, parent geometry normal axis, according my parent geometry normal direction. It's not issue, is not stick with my geometry. When you move up is not issue, but when you move that, the object are rotate according my tangent, according my normal. So what is the normal? I think I don't know that normal. I just demonstrate what normal. Select the geometry, display, polygon, face normal. See, there is my face normal. Okay, so this box move according my normal, face normal. Is clear? Yes or no? Any problem, any doubt according that? So that is my geometry constant. There is a normal constant. So, okay, so when we are try to go both geometry and normal constant, so I hit the normal, I try to delete it constant, so I go to child and select the normal constant node and delete it, and now I select that box and hit the 0 0 this shift. Okay, this box I have some rotation, so I just delete. I off my normal display, so I go again display polygon face normal. Okay, so my normal is off. I hit the 3 for smooth preview, and now we have created again little demonstration box. Okay, and go to rigging his face shape. Okay, now that is my parent, that's my child, and I go to at first geometry constant, so it's attached with geometry, and then hit the normal constant again. So that's mean the box going according surface and rotate according surface normal. Okay, it's clear. That is the useful when you create some box going to water, or in car going to desert, okay, from desert. So it's very useful to create that kind of connection, geometry constant and normal constant. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.